Natalie Rose. Oh, really? We had our 6-month shots today. 2 in each leg, huh? It was not fun. But we seem to be feeling fine now. Yeah. Do you love your Papa Jack and your Papu? That's what your shirt says. Are you, like, swimming on land? What are you doing? You are too funny. Oh, really? That's a good story. Then what happened? Was there a dinosaur in this story? No. Oh, careful. Don't kick that. That hurts, huh? Yeah, that's interesting. Oh. Yeah, you don't like being on your back, huh? You want to be sitting up like a big girl? Yeah, you do. This is your crazy hyper hour, huh? 5 o'clock at night. Yeah. We usually take you in the pool to burn off that energy. Oh. Natalie Rose, what are you doing? Yeah, you're having a good time. Oh, what a good story. All right, say bye-bye. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye. Okay, wave your arms and legs goodbye. No. All right. Bye. Goodbye. Mwah. Mwah. Do you still have some food on your face? Mwah. I know you like to grab the camera. Ah! All right, we're done. Say bye-bye.